Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Anyone who knows me well will tell you that I'm not exactly the biggest fan of the royal family. However, having watched King Charles deliver his speech a couple of days ago to Congress in Washington DC in the United States, I have to say I've become a bit more fond of the royal family. It was quite a remarkable speech to deliver at the current moment, because basically King Charles mentioned the importance of allies. He mentioned the importance of ensuring NATO remains united and remains strong in the face of the Russian threat. And he mentioned the importance of shared collective protection and defence of Ukraine. All of which, of course, fly in the face of many of Trump's beliefs and statements. What was really interesting about it was, despite its diplomacy, it didn't pull any punches. If you punch someone, you do this. And if you pull your punch, you look like you're going to punch them, and then you pull your hand back. So, if you say that a speech or a film or an article or a TV show doesn't pull any punches, you basically mean that it's very honest without really trying to be polite or trying to be particularly nice. It's hard-hitting. So you often hear it used to talk about people. You might hear someone described as very direct. They don't pull any punches. Maybe you've read articles or seen TV shows, documentaries by hard-bitten investigative journalists who don't pull any punches. They tell it like it is. They're desperately committed to telling the truth. And maybe if you want proper feedback on something you've done, like a talk at a conference, for example, you might say to your friends or to people you know, listen, let me know what you really thought of my talk. And please, don't pull any punches. Just give it to me straight. If you've enjoyed this talk, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use doesn't pull any punches.